Hello everyone. Today we are going to see the demonstration of my new application, which is a member force extractor application. So it is over here. Yeah, this is the interface, and this particular application can be used to extract the connection forces in a simple manner. So let us get into the functionality and see how it works. Okay, so here we have a select load combinations. So these are the load combinations present in this particular model. Right now I'm going to take the forces for the strength load cases alone. So I am just choosing the strength load cases, moving to the side, and let me save it. Yeah, that's all. So after which I'm going to extract the forces. This will extract all the like the member forces of all the members for the selected load combinations. Okay, so extract, so there are around like 560 rows of data was there. If I press OK, then it will be populated here, or otherwise if I press cancel, then this table will not be populated. For here, yeah, the table is updated successfully. And also we have a manual update table button, so which will again update the table if it is required for any cases. Okay, so these are the member forces. Yeah, we got the member forces here. What we are going to do here is we are going to add a connection, say for example, and we have one more feature in this application where we can have a focus mode. This focus mode will minimize the application screen and have the connection table alone. Okay, so for which will be very much useful when we are going to select the members and connection. Also I have always on top button, so this will make sure even if I am working on STAAD, this application interface is always on the top, right? So I'm going to add a connection. The first connection is going to be a knee connection, so these two locations. Okay, so and I want to choose the members for which I want to take the forces. Okay, so for this knee connection I'm just taking force from columns and rafters. If I press this get button here, it will get the member IDs of all this connection, so you don't have to enter it manually, it will automatically take. Also next for the node 1, so these are the nodes, node number 2 and node number 8. If I press get, then it will be automatically recorded. And for the second connection here at 4 and 7, I am going to provide a moment connection at these nodes. So I want to take forces at that node, for which I'm going to add a connection. And for the members I'm going to select 3, 4, 6 and 7, so get. And for the nodes 4 and 7, yeah, okay. So these are our connections. So once it is over, we can get back to the normal mode from the focus mode. Here we'll be having our connection IDs. Once we press this connection, then it will extract the maximum forces here. So these are nothing but the maximum axial force Fx, minimum axial force, maximum Fy, minimum Fy. The corresponding forces with the load case number, with the node number, with the beam number is populated here, right? So all we have to do is we can also save this file. I will come back to that later. Also next going to C2, so the maximum Fx, minimum Fx, maximum Fy, minimum Fy. Similarly, since F is at 0, the first case will be populated in this region, and for the maximum moment and minimum moment, the corresponding cases. So these are the 12 cases which we will eventually use in the connection design, right? So these forces are easily taken. In order to save these forces, either you can copy it manually, press Ctrl C, copy it manually and paste it on Excel, or else we can save it as a CSV file here. So for example, I save this as C2. Yeah, that's all it saved. Then C1, let me save C1. Yeah, if I go to that location, so like that's all about the application. This one is completely over. If I open C1, I have C1 forces with the beam number, the node number, and the critical load cases, everything in a single file. Similarly, I have for C2. So with this, we can take forces for like any kind of structure very easily. And thank you for watching.